We love you, you love us. We're much faster than a bus. We hope you enjoy our hospitality. Marry one of us and you'd fly free.
Whoever is farting, don't fart, please. It smells bad.
Expected to be 1 hour, 35 minutes. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is stowed safely and does not block the aisle or the emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage.
If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. Thank you for your attention.
You're welcome.
Am I still tripping or is this actually happening? What?